Big up yourself and subscribe to this channel. Watch, like, and share the videos. Oh, and don't forget to click the bell icon to get notified. Barber, how much for your haircut?
Only 1,000 for trim and 1,500 for trim and shave.
Alright, we will work with a trim and shave.
Nice job, Barber. A little more.
Just give me a clean fade and make the mustache thin.
Wagwan Barber, everything good?
Yeah man, Bobby. Dep on the work, you know?
Boy, you know say, me just see a man drop off your wife in a one red car.
What? Where you say?
Yeah man, and it looked like she really did enjoy him company too.
Is what kind of car?
Is a Honda, you know?
Gentle Jesus, meek and mild, look upon your little child.